Hey everybody, I'm Joey with Red Meat Lover, and whether you're new to our channel or you've been following my food journey for the last few seasons, I want to let you know we've been cooking up a little something special, and we're finally ready to share some exciting news. We've been traveling the country, meeting experts for our new show, Meet America. Meet America is your guide to exploring the methods and techniques used by experts all over the country. Each episode will feature an expert on location in their kitchen as they share valuable information and recipes that you can use to turn up the tasty right in your own kitchen. Are you ready for an adventure? If so, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and follow me as we meet America.